Good evening, Muscle Car Corner. Sun going down on muscle cars. Let's take a look at this amazing 55 Bel Air convertible tuxedo, black with white interior, two-tone white and black interior. What a restoration on this car. Those spoke wheels make it look sexy. The motor is detailed to the over the top. $265. State is going from 90 to 140,000. Beautiful example. It's got the Continental kit on it, which I think is kind of funky. I don't care for it much, but gives it a different look. Well, here's a 56 sitting right next to it, but I do love the color combination on this one. It's nice. They're both just beautiful vehicles. Restoration on the motor. Looks as good as the outside of the car. You know, I'm always looking at paint. So I've been a paint and body guy for many years and in the business. And I tell you what, some of these paint jobs are just over the top. All the chrome that's been polished on this car, it takes so much work to do all that. Get the interior as correct as this is. Look at that dash. It's better than the day was new. Tri-5 Chevrolets will always live. There'll always be people that love these cars. You know, they've been around so long and they're just as popular as they are now as they were then, you know. 58 convertible. Love this color. Signal red is that color. Simply amazing car. Signet red. It's weird, you know, it doesn't look that red. It's got more orange in it than red and a little bit of coral. It looks like it's the same color as this one right here in this Impala. Boy, these are amazing vehicles, these three right here. I believe they're out of the same collection, the Sperling collection. Big changes in 58. Total different. It's the first year of the 348 and the 409. This is out of the John Satupi collection. 348, 290 horse, 280 horse, 100 to 150,000 on this car. Man. Let's jump on over to this later model Impala Super Sport with a big block in it. 396. You know, these cars were big boats, but with that 396 in it, it would push them along. In 66, that was still a pretty potent motor, only 3.25 horse, but they had a lot of torque to them. At least 450 foot-pounds torque, I believe, or somewhere in that vicinity, maybe high threes. But the difference between the styling on the Impala here in 58 and then in 66, pretty neat stuff. That beautiful Super Sport emblem. Well, that's some bright white interior, isn't it? Well, these were always kind of fugly to me. Sorry about that, owners of this year Impala, but they've grown on me through the years. I've gotten where I like these big Impalas. It's a super cruiser, boy. Impala SS. Well, I'm going to leave you with these cars here, and we'll go from there. Hope you enjoy them. That's Car Corner signing out.